So this is up on Mount Evergreen. You can kind of see the adjacent mountain here. The road's going up, and down below in the valley is the highway. Way down there, you can't see it, is the river. Little snow. So here's another view of the mountains. This waterfall's kind of cool. So I thought this was kind of interesting. You can see where a deer goes across right here, the tracks. Even the deer don't like to walk in the snow if they don't have to. Moss is cool, has like lines in it from the water. There's another interesting waterfall, like little plants on it. So here's something interesting. There's another set of tracks here. Definitely not a deer. It's like a very small animal. Maybe, I don't know, a coyote or some kind of cat. You can definitely see that it has four forward pointing toes. And then here's a much larger version of the same thing right here. You can see, maybe it's a cat. It's hard to tell because it's in the snow. Can't tell if there's nails or not, claws. So maybe I've come across the worst case scenario of some kind of cat with its cubs. Definitely smaller tracks here. Hopefully I don't find out. You can see that both sets of tracks meet up over here. they went the same way. Here we go, some more tracks. You can see, looks like a very large deer came down off the hill right here. Left some pretty impressive hoof prints. And then it goes right across this other set of tracks that I was just talking about. And here again, it looks like a smaller deer goes across the same tracks here too. So, I'm at the time I decided to turn around, which is 5. Take a little break, so 5:08. Didn't quite make it up to the trailhead, but I came pretty damn close. Can't really complain about the view. It's pretty amazing. I'm damn near up at the top, where the trailhead is anyway. This is the first dry spot that I found in probably half an hour. And I'm letting my socks dry out because my legs are wet up to the knees. Pretty exciting. So, made it back to where I can walk around the snow instead of in the snow, which is a good sign.